stream's gonna be. It's gonna be nice and relaxing. So now I've got to wait until that picks up and thinks that I'm actually live. Gotta wait for this. And then everything should be fine. Come on, buddy. Show it. There we go. There it is. So now I've got to wait until that picks up and thinks that I'm actually live. There we go, that's sorted. Now, we go here. I'm just gonna, actually hold on, wait. I've got to do this, guys. One sec. I'm gonna zoom in on live chat. What's good, Thomas? What's good? The chat is here. Chat is here. There we go. We'll just have chat on the side here. Here's chat. There we go. Alright. Simple. So by the looks of it, everything looks good, you know? Like, everything looks quite clean. Oh wait, I can fix the viewport display. Hold on. We'll just clean that up a little. There we go. Okay. So, we are going to be doing animation in this stream. So, we're going to go to my Gorilla Tag IK rig. I just need to pull up live chat on that. Yeah, this is what I'm working with so far. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. But we're not actually going to do that. We're going to start from scratch. Why? Because I like going straight from scratch for every single new animation, you know what I mean? So, oh, we already got 3 people watching. Okay, so we can get rid of this and we can import import FBX. Would it be a long ass sword? Yeah, it is a long ass sword. It's from Dark Souls. So yeah. We need so we have my headphones and stuff. Delay. Yeah, I know there's delay. That's how every single stream is. There's meant to be a delay. And there's going to be delay. All of it's the same. I'm just gonna get my Gorilla rig. Okay, guys, hold on. I just need to get my rig. Here it is. Rig. Download that. We can go back here. Okay. So we have our rig now, and we're just going to open. Don't save. Gorilla IK rig. Wrong one. They're all like the same name, so it's difficult to know. It would be number 8, would it? No. I have a bunch of different Gorilla rigs, whether that was making a profile picture or thumbnail for someone. Like this one. This is an example of a thumbnail I was making for someone. GTE Void. It's pretty clean, right? Pretty clean. This was it rendered. Not bad. That was my first ever attempt at making one, so like, it's not bad at all, is it? Let's see. Yeah, don't save. We need to open. What would it be called then? Well, I need to find it actually. Today, Gorilla Rig 2. Oh, it was the second one, of course. Of course it had to be. Seal. You got the seal sticker. Rig 2. This one, right? No, not that one. Different rig. Okay, Rig 2. Are there 2 2s? Or like what? Aha, idea. If I go here, I can move it to my documents. What's good? My chicken nugget. What's good, Billy? Welcome to the stream. Let's see, documents this time. Gorilla Rig, here we go. This is where it all starts. So first thing we're gonna do, we're just gonna obviously update our name. Chicken nugget's crazy. It is what it is. It's what it is, brother. So what we're gonna do, first we need to lift up the action editor and get our keyframes. I love keyframes. They're so helpful. Okay, first things first. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna have to lower this actually, hold on. Here we go. So color, we need to get my color first. So it's like a light yellow around that. Wait. Yeah, around that. That works. Now we need our faces. So we're going to go to shading. And we are going to get our blender face. What face are we going to use? I don't know yet. Which is exactly why we're going to have a look at some. You guys can't see what I see right now, but I'm getting some faces. We'll do bolt. We'll do the lightning bolt face. But so drag and drop. Then we're just gonna do, where is it? Hold on. Hold on. Wait a minute. Oh, this one's different, kind of. There we go, face texture. This is different to the normal rig that I use. Who knows, it may be a lot easier actually. I don't know. Guess we'll have to find out. So we drag in bolt. Stop hating Thomas. He's not hating, he's not hating. He's not hating. Thomas is a friend of mine. He's a friend. Ooh, that was not what happened. Oh wait, I forgot. I dragged it to the wrong one. Turn up the face texture. We're going to change this to closest. There we go. Guys, look at that. That's a lot better. Now we got bolt. Okay. So now, what we actually need to do, we are going to import GLB. We are going to import our forest. So it'll take a second because it's quite a big map. There it is. Okay. Pull out a little drop menu. We're just going to move this over here, just so we can get a rough idea of what we're working with. In fact, hold on. We'll bring in the cherry blossom one, actually, the cherry blossom forest. See if I still have it. We have beach, we have forest, we have caves. Ah, right here. This should work, hopefully. Hopefully. I don't know why it's not working. Hold on. But it's fine. No, it's completely fine. All we have to do though. Okay, I don't know why this isn't working. Hold on. What I'll have to do, guys, I will have to make a new one, unfortunately, and I can't save this one. We're going to, what I like to do, so there's a great YouTuber called Professor Wesser. What we're gonna do, Professor Wesser Blender. Well, Blendy. And this video specifically, I click on this one because it has the right rig, and I can't find the rig anywhere else. So we're going to be using this rig right here. We're also going to rename this Animations GTag Fold. And we're going to move this to my documents. Okay. Now we can go back to Blender. And also, guys, make sure to subscribe. We already got one. We're trying to hit 300 by maybe like less than next month, hopefully, before it hits next month, so within like a week. So let's make that happen, shall we? I'd love for that to happen. Let's make it happen, boys. So we're gonna open, don't save, documents, animations, GTAG, fold blend. Now I can actually move it. Okay, this is good. Can you guys hear the nice music in the background? It's pretty relaxing, right? Very relaxing, right? We're gonna pull out my drop down box and downscale it a little. Just move it a little. Change our color to my yellow. Yeah, we're gonna change the face. Now this is the model that I like to use the most. Why? Because it's actually good, you know? It's actually good. So we're gonna get bolt, drag bolt on here. Color goes to face texture change all the way up. Closest, go back to layout. Now we have a face. Now we need to bring up our keyframes and turn it to auto keyframes. But before we do auto keyframes, we have to import our GTAG map. So we'll just scroll down. We'll do, hold on, I'm gonna turn this music down a little because it's loud. There we go. Sorted. Oh, go back to there. There we go. So we want the Gorilla Tag map. Perfect. And it's a mix of the new one and the old one, which I quite like, the steps. But the bad thing about this one is it doesn't actually have the campfire. So we're going to go back to the drawing board and we're going to get Zoomer GLB, which is also the GTAG map. We don't need this tree, it's all the way over here. We're going to move this guy over here. Actually, wait, an easier thing would be to just move the whole map over here, because that's where cursor is. So where's our gorilla? Let's find our gorilla, shall we? Oh, there he is. Okay. Let's continue with this, shall we? This one does have the campfire too. It's purple too. I quite like that, actually. So today's goal, we are just going to make, hopefully, a simple animation where I walk over to the campfire. I sit down at the campfire. Oh, this map's not going to work. Hold on. Oh, sorry about this. This map is not going to work at all. Back to the ideas board. Actually, what we're going to do, we're going to go to Sketchfab. I like going to Sketchfab because Sketchfab has a bunch of good models. So we're going to... The hell is that? Ew. Sneakers. We're going to do GTAG forest map. And then we're going to find a good one. Forest, city, canyons, and more. I might go with this one, actually. As long as it's... Also, Sketchfab's really good because you can download 3D models for Blender and stuff. I use it. And then we just wait for this to load. Now look. Sure, the mountains map looks a bit odd, but that's just because it's not textured. Forest seems textured. And it... Oh yeah, you guys can't see what I see right now. Give me a second. So yeah, the stump looks good. What else? Treehouse doesn't have textures, and there's no campfire. So, time to find a different one, isn't it? Yo, what's good, Prototype? Welcome to the stream, bro. Ooh, this is the old site. Is this the one I had before? I can't tell. Does it have a campfire? Does it have the campfire? No. I need the campfire. Or else doesn't... Actually, you know what? We can still make it work. We'll download this as a GLB. I know you guys can't see what I see right now. I'm just downloading a file. And then we're going to need campfire. It is purple. And the rocks are weird. It's fine though. It's completely fine. Import GLB. I'm not gonna do here. Oh, we can do the Halloween forest actually, if this has the campfire. It has everything else textured, so hopefully that means that it has the campfire. With no fire though. Which is fine. You know why? Hold on. I just need to go back to Sketchfab. I'm gonna have a little food. 1 second. I'm gonna mute my mic for a sec. There we go. So now, all we're actually going to do is we're going to separate the fire and everything from each other. And all we want is the fire, which will go right here, nice and snug. Right, perfect. And actually, if we want, we can have this as a bigger flame, not too much, but still, yeah, like that. There we go. So now this is looking good. All it's needed to do now, we can get rid of all the decorations, make it look more normal. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, by the way. It really helps me out a ton. I'm going to rotate this actually so it looks cleaner in the end result. Yeah. Let's see. So basically, let's see. Now what we need to do is our rig. He's up there. Okay. Where is this guy? Right over here. There we go. So we're gonna bring this down. I kinda know what I'm doing, I guess. I guess. So yeah, our goal is just to make the absolute smoothest as smooth as possible animation that I can. We're gonna rotate this guy around to face this way. Now, one thing that I want to try, so we obviously know that we have keyframes, so we're gonna tilt them a little, and we're gonna set auto keyframes. Now, what I do want to know is, will this work? So first thing we're gonna do it like a normal animation, normal animation, right? Just get the hands in place and stuff. Tilt them downwards. And then like this. Turn off this. Where's the point? There it is. Tilt more. So that's our starting position, right? We're gonna go ahead 5 keyframes. We're gonna move this slightly forward, this slightly back, and this slightly forward. Not by too much. Now putting that together makes a pretty smooth animation already, right? But we want this forward. So, oh wait, hold on a minute. So this would be so hold on. How am I gonna do this? So let's see. This is complex. This is the starting pose, right? So this, I'm gonna, oh oops, wait, what? Just that. Okay, just straight up delete every keyframe that was there. Just go back a ton until everything was how it was. So this is the starting. And 5 minutes, no, 5 frames forward. This happens. So now, oh, but yeah, here, that needs to come forward a bit. Hold on. I don't know why the arms aren't moving. Hold on. I have no idea what's going on. Let's just get rid of all our keyframes. So there's no animation, right? This will be the starting. So right here, I think this needs to be, where is it? Hold on. One sec. Let's just see. Okay. So okay, so that's the first one, and then 5 seconds later why is it only doing that? It's selecting them individually. When I click object, it needs to be the whole thing. Pose. So starting one will be right here. Oh wait, okay. I gotta make the body move first. So the body starts here. 5 frames in, body walks forwards. So body 10 frames in. Also goes straight. 15. Also goes nice and smooth. That's smooth. 20. I like that dip. Why does that dip? Okay, then at 25. If you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Lower this a little. Not by much. 30. There we go. I'm gonna rotate him very slightly. And once again move him forwards. Lower. Forwards a little. And lower. And at 45, I'll just have him right here. So for the body, it's this so far. Now, what we're gonna need to do, so we have a smooth moving, except it's a little choppy, so right here at 11, so between there it needs a little wait, hold on. Just a little push. Yeah, I like the little bob. Yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I know I keep saying that, but like 275, thank you, bro. Whoever that was, thank you for subbing. Means a lot. Why does that not update? There we go. There we go. Live chat should update any second now. Make sure to speak in live chat. In fact, what I can do, I can minimize this, but it'll still be there. Right? It'll still be there, even if I minimize it. And then this one, I can also minimize and stuff. And it's still, no, it's not visible. Never mind. Never mind. Try that again. There we go. So now we have a nice little walking animation. Wait a minute, what was that? Hold on. Lower. Oh wait, I got the wrong one. Here. Lower. So now, right here, what we have to do is animate the arms. So the body was, I'd say, the most difficult. The arms just need to go back. Oh wait, hold on, no, wait. No, the arms need to come forwards. So that hand comes forwards a bit. Can you put my mic louder? I will try my best to make my mic louder. Sorry about that. It's just I need to get a new microphone. Sorry. Yeah, I need to get a new microphone. That's probably what I'll be. That's probably one of the things I'll be getting for my birthday. Actually, no, I'll get a clamp stand for my microphone, and then I can have it like really close, so I'm well heard. You know. So this hand has to come forwards. Okay. That hand comes forwards. And yeah, hand forward and lower it, and this hand goes backwards and up. Animation's kind of difficult, to be honest. So now it looks like this, which is good. So now we need this to go back a little further. And then we'll say right here, at 15, wait, hold on. Make sure the hand's actually above the ground. At 10, it's under the ground, which is pretty bad. Then at 15, we need to lift it up a little. 20, 15 is where we start to pull this hand back, and this hand starts to come forwards. And around here, this comes forwards a bit more, and this goes back. So now, not bad. Not bad at all. Not too choppy. Except the hand needs to come out further. This hand needs to go back more. No, at 9 it can do that. Back a little. Goes forwards a bit more. This one goes back a little. 276. Yo, thank you guys. Bro, this is crazy. Let's see. Pretty clean, pretty clean. Not bad, not bad, not bad. This needs to go back. And this gotta come forward. Let's see. Let's see. So this goes like that. Pull that back slightly. That starts to advance. And again. And then by 25, this one's moved back more. And this one's moved further more. Now, this is still kind of choppy. I just saw something, I swear. Yeah, my desktop. Let's see. Yeah, so this needs to be brought up a little, I can tell. Oh wait, hold on, I wasn't even at that keyframe yet. So that doesn't look bad. Chat, tell me if this looks decent. Except for that stutter. Was it here? Yeah, so what we can do, it's fine. What we will do, move this one further more, again. It's kind of the same process every time I think about it. Every time now that I think about it. So. Like that, that's the exact same, just forwards, furthermore, and then he'll stop there, and then he'll lift his hands up and start to like warm his hands up over the fire, you know. Y'all feel me? We're 276 subs, pretty crazy if you ask me. We need 24 more. If we get 24 more subs, then we hit 300. Which would low-key be kind of crazy. Get the hand. Now what? Why am I saying now what? I know what I'm doing, clearly. Let's see. So then we need to start taking this hand back and bringing this one forward. By 35, need to bring this one further even more, and this one further back even more. Clean, clean. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. $38. Move this back more. Let's see. Not bad. That's what it looks like from this perspective, which is probably what it'll be shot at. Not bad. The head doesn't have any. That's fine. I'll do the head after. So you get 39, 40, 40, and then this hand comes back up again. And that hand has to come back a little bit more. And this hand comes forwards more. So now this is the walking animation. And both hands have to come over here. So let's see how it is now. And then at 50, the hands can start to go up. And 60, they can start to rotate more and go this way. Then at 65, what we will do is kind of the same system, kind of mimic it. Rotate the hands a bit more. So now the hands lifting up animation feels a lot smoother. And then 75. We can start to push the hands outwards. 80. Yeah. Oh no, we don't want the stutter actually. So we can just push the hands all the way out. But yeah, make sure they're still split apart. These, we want to copy but delete. Here we paste them. Do I like the idea of having multiple hands at once? Yeah, I like that. So now, actually I'd say our animation's pretty much done. I mean, look at this, guys. That looks pretty clean, doesn't it? And I can add footstep sound effects and stuff. Add the shading. Now we go back to object mode. Set our cursor right here. Actually, wait, no. Hold on. move. We don't want that. Cursor. We're gonna set the cursor right between the guy's eyes. In fact, hold on, let me just figure out something. Hold on. That is loud. I accidentally went on YouTube and then went on a one of the videos I was watching about Gorilla Tag animations, and then everything was quite loud. Pretty loud. So, I mean, yeah, we'll add a camera, right? And we'll bring the camera over here, right? Bring the camera over here. Nice. We'll make sure. Don't we have to toggle walk navigation on navigation? Fly. That is not what I wanted. We're gonna go back and we're gonna change that back to walk. This gets difficult. One sec. This is like difficult. I'm trying to figure out how to use walk navigation because I forgot. Camera. Type perspective now. Viewport display. No, it's not that. If you guys haven't subscribed already, please please consider subscribing. I'm trying to hit 300 by next week. I'm gonna get out the camera for a second. So, oops, my mic. So what are we working with? Goes to warm his hands at the campfire. So not bad at all. Pretty clean, clean, low key. Let's see. just trying to figure out navigation. We're gonna go here. Where is it? No, I think it was edit. No, wait, it wasn't. File. Where was it? Hold on. Oh, I think here it is. Navigation. Walk navigation. Perfect. Okay. I guess I'll just right click to get out of that. So we're just gonna do view, walk navigation. There we go. Oh, why did it do that? Navigation. Okay, not bad. In fact, I'm gonna change my navigation shortcut. Just need to remember how to do it. I think I just have to go back here. Ah, here, assign shortcut. We'll do what key? We'll do comma. Okay. So comma. Oh, it can't be. No, it can't be comma. Assign shortcut. Oops. Navigation. Change shortcut. We'll do hashtag. Why not? Sonopra. Oh, there we go. I hate it when it does that. Okay.
If everything is white like this, go up here and press on this little icon. Then after it loads for a bit, the textures will appear. So down here is the timeline. This is where you're going to be animating. And on the side here is the hierarchy. There are little checkboxes, so you can uncheck them to disable the map, and you can check the checkbox.
Let's go over here to find our little guy. So we're just gonna press hashtag again. I'm gonna do view navigation, fly navigation. Okay, hold on. I'm stuck in walk navigation. I can't get this stupid thing to stop. Oh my god. Hold on. The output. Now we have it in YouTube Shorts format. Let's go. Oops. So we want it. First, we want the first shot to look like this. And let's see. When he goes out of the frame, we want to move it to here. So it'll be like this. Hold on a minute. Needs to be there. And then it needs to go to here. Nah, keep it how it was. Let's see. And then here it needs to here. See how that looks? Just move over a little. Nice and smooth. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is, so it's the ending part. What we're gonna have to do, we are going to export and also render the animation, which is going to be annoying because normally it does not like to work. We're also going to one thing I want to do is make sure, so we're going to go out of this, right? Make sure we don't select that. How do we select the gorilla rig? Okay. We're gonna go to his gorilla model. We're gonna go here. We wanna make his subsurface all the way down because it'll make it look more sharp, like the actual game. Give him a little like shine to him. Also select the camera. Perfect. So give him that little hop. So he walks over, and then he puts his hands out. Okay, good. Perfect. So now all we're gonna do is, in fact, I'm gonna try and do something. View, navigation, walk navigation. Can I select other object? No. Navigation, remove shortcut. Okay. So it definitely removed it. Let's see. Thanks to the camera. I can't leave walk navigation. I don't know what's happening. Okay. This stupid thing, I can't do anything. Edit preferences. Fly and walk. Fly. Yeah, the stupid fly navigation is still stuck on this. It's really annoying. Okay, time to set my cursor here. And to add area light, and we're just gonna lift this up. If I increase the power, it'll really show what I'm working with. And since it's a purplish campfire, we're gonna make it purple. The light, we're gonna make the light purple, you know. Also considering the fact that we are making the day dark. But that doesn't look too good, does it now? Which is exactly why we're adding a mesh that will go up. And this mesh will, and I mean will, ensure that no light gets in. So we're going to just do this. And that light, sun we don't need, area, light. I'm gonna make it more of a nicer, or should we make it a yellow? No, purple. It has to be a dark purple. But also, if it's only gonna shine down, is there any point in it trying to look good if it looks like that? No, there's not. Yo, what's good, Nimbone? Welcome to the stream. Yo, how you doing, bro? Welcome to the stream. It is lovely to have you here. I'll just put that back up. I'm hoping that Nimbone can be seen. That's good, Nimbone. I'm hoping that this damn thing will update soon. Oh wait, I have an idea. Make the quality higher. I think that helped, I can't tell. Oh, Nimbone's under the... Oh, that makes more sense. Hold on. 1 second, guys. There it is. Welcome to the stream, Nimbone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Remember guys, if you're not subscribed already, make sure to subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. Let's see. Camera. So now this already... Oh, this looks nice. This looks really nice, actually. I love how this looks. You know, like... So pretty. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the area, which would be here. I'm going to copy, paste it, and move it down. I'm also going to downscale it, rotate it, like this, and move it this way. So now, how's this looking? But what I want, what I really want, is for it to get like brighter and brighter and stuff as he gets closer. So I think if I just lower this a little and make sure that it is centered and stuff, I think it should work. So thank you, bro. Thank you. I only started making animations like yesterday, so I'd say it's not bad at all. Let's see. Also, over the keyframes, as he gets closer, we can move it closer until right here when he's there. Make sure it's still behind there. We can also increase the power here. So now, in fact, let's watch it in camera mode, shall we? Let's watch it in camera mode, guys. Not bad. Now, because we are having a lot of lag, what we can do is we can select a lot of these. For example, this, right? And we can delete them, because why am I doing that, you may ask? Because it just lags it, and we don't want lag, you know? Nobody likes lag at all. Nobody like it. So we're just gonna move this into place. Perfect. In fact, I think we can make the flame bigger, whether that's taller or whatever. Make it wider and taller. Let's see, shall we? There we go. Perfect. So now, what I have wanted to actually try is if I import an FBX of my headphones, my Gorilla Tag cosmetic, my headphones, right? I'm curious to know, so let's first bring it down here. Oops, did not mean to do that. Bring them up. Okay. So what I was thinking actually, now I am lagging a little bit, but that's only because of the amount of stuff in here. So we're going to make sure that these actually fit properly, you know. So we're gonna rotate them until they're just about right. Same with here. Slide them on. Doesn't look half bad. Make sure they fit well. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to add, where would it be? Armature. Here's the armature. Try deleting all the leaves maybe. That's not a bad idea. I will try to delete the leaves. Only annoying thing is I'm stuck in walk navigation and I don't know how to get out of walk navigation, so I can't select anything unless it's just been imported. So basically the idea is when I've done something, I've done something. So I'm pretty much cooked, you know? Put a bone there. And then that. Can join them. No mesh data to join. Hold on. That's a Gorilla Tag model. Wait a minute, I might be able to. All the trees have their leaves though. Hold on a minute. If I go here and find more. Never mind, I can delete the leaves. Just wait until I see more leaves. Those are the actual trees. Oops. Don't do that then. I'll keep that in mind, not to delete that. That's the whole mesh. Oops. Why do I keep on somehow forgetting that? Pine forest. There. I think we've sorted out. Wait, hold on a minute. Actually, what I can do is bring back an item that we deleted and select more. So like this, it was fine to delete. So we take that and we find, hold on, wait, turn up this, there we go. Is this part of it? It is. Okay. Anything else we can delete? Can't delete gazebo. Slide? No. Can we delete siren? No. So we'll just get rid of the targets. It's fine. Day. Turn that. Crank that all the way back down. So now what I'm hoping works is that, I mean, if this doesn't work, it's completely fine, but I really, really, really hope this works. So we select the headphones and the armature. Oops. That and the headphones, and we join them. No. Okay, that's fine. And then we select the rig. But then we click pose. And then that and the head gets conjoined. I said it gets conjoined. And hopefully that works. No. Okay, looks like we're doing no headphones. Okay, the armature we can get rid of. Same with headphones. Okay, so it's definitely lagging a lot less. So thank you, Nimbone, for suggesting that I do that. Oh, what happened to you? Wrong one. There we go. I think that's pretty much perfect. I'd have to say that's pretty much perfect. Like, how can that be, like, any better? So all we really need to do, let me think what we need to do actually. Hold on, let me think. We're going to, I'd say we're done, so I guess we're just gonna output it. So output, where would it go? So we have to, what did we have to do? Actually, hold on, I'll create a new folder. I tried making like my own 3D rig for a profile picture, but I didn't have any textures. Hey Nimbone, if you want, I could make you one. Up to you though, completely up to you though. If you want me to make you one, I'd make you one completely for free. And I'd say I'm pretty decent. I can show you guys some of my work in a minute actually. Let's see. F2. F2. Yeah, I'd be happy to make you a profile picture completely for free. Is it for like YouTube or? Because I can show you some of mine. Let's see. So output, we're just going to change this to. Hold on, I'm going to have to put this in here then. So animations can go into my thumbnails. Animations accept. So it goes into animations. Okay. Yeah, YouTube. Yeah, I can make you one. Do you have Discord that I can contact you on? Do you have a Discord account? So I can add you and then make one for you. Because after I make this animation, I'm probably just going to end the stream, you know? Yeah, I can make you one and then send it to you on Discord. Just let me know if you have Discord. I do have a Discord. Would you mind sending the Discord in chat and then I'll add you? make sure that this is, hold on, okay. I'm opening Discord now and I'll send you it. One sec. Let's see. Add a friend. Sent you a friend request. Just accept it and then yeah. Message retracted. I don't know why it retracted the message. Sorry about that, but I did send you a friend request. Do not worry. Let's see, I'm also gonna make sure that my quality, I need very high quality. Let's see, so we want high quality. So hopefully now, when we go to here, render animation. Oh, why is it so slowed down? I don't know why it's doing that, but it's fine. Came out pretty clean, never mind. That's just how it showed. Yo chat, I'm gonna show you the finished result. I want you guys to tell me if I low-key cooked. Also, if you're watching and you aren't subscribed, I have to say this so many times because apparently I don't say it enough. Make sure to subscribe. Guys. You guys ready to see the finished result? I think I low-key actually cooked with this, bro. I think I low-key cooked. You guys ready to see the result? By the way, this is before I upload this, so you guys kind of get to see it early. You kind of get to see it early. Pretty lucky, you know. Pretty lucky, you know. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Sure, it was only 4 seconds long, but holy, I cooked. Well, I am subbed on both my accounts. Yo, thank you, Twen. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. I low-key cooked with this, bro. I low-key cooked. I'm actually so happy with myself. I am so insanely happy with myself. If you want, actually, should I continue streaming? But okay, I'm going to turn off this music. What we're going to do, I'm going to close, no. I'm going to save this. because I'm so insanely happy with it. We're going to close Blender. And what we're going to do, guys, is... Unfortunately, I will have to hide chat, because it's really bugging. But, don't worry, I'm still, like, keeping an eye on everything and stuff. No, wrong image. That's to do with Blender. I don't need that. Don't need that either. Can actually, okay, we're gonna go into CapCut, guys, and we are going to make a YouTube short out of this. We are Loki gonna cook. So, hold on. I gotta make a new window capture. Select a window. CapCut. Okay. Oh, can you see me in OBS? That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let's see. So, I'm gonna hide that. We are going to do this. Let's do this. So, yeah, I made a video earlier about a glitch that they need to patch. So we're gonna go into animations. And here it is. So it's sure it's only 5 seconds. We just need to add sound effects and stuff and it should be done. It's already in the right size as well. So, the things that we need are, we need the sound effects. So we need the like footsteps and stuff. So, but we don't want this one. What we want is we want it on grass. We'll do this one. Wait. Yeah, this one. So, I'm gonna save that as grass, leaf, footstep. Because I'm low-key cooking now. Then we need the GTAG campfire. SFX. So we need the oh, these are sick. I never realized that these were here. That's pretty cool. So these can be used for Gorilla Tag. Oh. Sick. Okay. We need the campfire. Not campfire, campfire. Okay. In fact, I'm gonna save this as a shortcut. Input the URL. Done. Okay, good. So that's pretty cool. We'll do my instance. How do you skip the environment check in CapCut? What do you mean skip the environment check? What environment check? What do you mean? I didn't know there was an environment check. Perfect. Campfire. We need this to be like that. We need to lower the volume. But we kind of need it to fade in to about here. There's an environment check. Can you not skip the environment check, or like, hold on, I'm gonna see if I can find how to fix that for you. So, oh, okay, hold on. One thing I want, if you're able to use CapCut right now, one thing I want you to use, well, one thing I want you to do, when you go to open CapCut, go into the search bar at the bottom and search CapCut, but instead of opening it, I want you to run it as administrator. Tell me if that does anything. When you tell me if that changes anything. How does this look so far? Did I cook? Maybe. So it didn't change anything. Okay. So in your do you have your CapCut like installation? Hold on, that's a last result. Have you tried uninstalling and reinstalling CapCut? I could show you on Discord maybe. Yeah, do you wanna hop on a call on Discord and you can like screen share? Would that be easier for you to screen share on Discord? But would that help you? Would that help? Just screen share. Would that help? Oh jeez, I was trying to do the mic check to make sure this actually works. Do I have to click apply or something at the bottom? No. Okay. Control brick one disguise. Don't have to do the badge. Hey Nimbone, I can try my best to do the badge. Wait a minute. I swear I saw some. Okay, I'll hold on. Okay. Hello. Hold on, I just need. Oh, there we go. Yo, what's good?
Yo.
Bro, I swear I've seen your like fit. I swear I saw it earlier today when I was playing.
I don't know if it was today, but I joined you lately, so
Yeah, I could have sworn I saw you today this morning, like a few hours ago. I was in Forest. Let's screen share. Oh, it's
the
like,
stream is looping the audio. I
is
think.
it? I don't know.
Yeah.
I think that no, that's the delay. That's the delay. It's because there's delay
Oh,
on the
okay.
stream. It should be fine. Let's see this situation.
So wait, let me launch CapCut.
Okay, okay.
The stream is looping the audio. And now
Okay,
it's
that's
fixed.
the-
I could have sworn it did that before. Wait.
Is it working fine?
Now it's working fine.
Okay,
Could've
that's good.
sworn
That's
it-
good. That's good.
No, now
Good,
it's
good.
working fine. What the hell?
It does that sometimes.
Wait, let me launch it over the shortcut.
Okay.
What the hell? That's just annoying.
So it just like randomly started working.
Yeah, now it's working.
Nah, that's, at least it's working.
It took 2 minutes every time, but now it's instant.
Okay, good. At least it's working now, you know.
Yeah. Oh wait, I know why it's looping. I had the stream not unmuted. I mean, not muted.
Oh, that makes sense.
So it was looping for me.
Ah, that makes more sense. Subscribers have been pretty good this stream. I got free this stream, so not bad at all. Yeah, I could have sworn that I saw you in game earlier. And coincidentally, their name was Yellow. They had the yellow tape badge and they had the headphones. Coincidence? I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know when, but I don't know if it was earlier today or yesterday. But
I was
actually
next to
joined
Stump. I was like
No.
at the Stump entrance.
Then I
Stump.
didn't join you on purpose. Then it was on accident.
Yeah, I know. But hold on, were you playing Forest earlier?
I think so.
Super Infection?
Oh no, actually I don't. I think I went into Super Infection once accidentally and then immediately left. So.
And I only saw that person for like a minute.
Yeah, I went in there, was there for a minute, then left. So.
Yeah, I think that was you then. That was most definitely you. What are the coincidences, bro?
Yeah, but yesterday I joined you, and you were like flying a drone in city, and I couldn't see the drone.
Oh, do I have you added on the machine?
Yeah, you do.
Oh, that makes more sense. Cause like, how do you keep on joining me? And I was confused.
Yeah, you added me in one of your streams.
Oh yeah, that makes more sense. I feel stupid, but yeah, it all makes sense now. I can get the badge, like the badge and stuff.
No, you don't need to add the badge.
I can do it.
I just
I'm
have the
pretty sure I
badge
can
as
do
a
that.
joke. I just have the badge as a joke. You don't need to add it.
Wow, you sure? Cause I mean, I'm pretty sure I can.
No,
Get
I
that.
actually don't need it. I really have it just as a joke, basically.
Okay. So just the name, color, and headphones.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just gonna edit this and then I'm gonna upload it and it should be done. That's pretty much already edited, but then yeah, should be pretty good to go. Let's see, what font do I want to use? I love the pro version of CapCut. So many different things to choose. What about this one?
Oh, I forgot to charge my VR. That's so stupid.
Oh. My headset's downstairs charging. It should be at like 100 right now.
I don't have it downstairs, so I can't really charge it downstairs.
Oh.
Yeah.
Should I make a Discord server? For like people to join? I feel like that'd be cool. That was kind of clean. 5 seconds long, but clean as hell. Did you see my first animation that I made? I can't hear you. I don't know. Like.
I'm back.
Oh, there we go. Okay. What was I gonna say? Oh, I can't remember what I was gonna say.
The first animation, you talked something about that.
Oh yeah. Have you seen my first animation? Yeah. It's Loki ass. Look, I'll show it on screen in a second.
Yeah,
Hold
you
on.
just no. I already saw it.
It's so bad. Like holy.
On my
it's
other
not
account,
even
I think
funny.
I liked it. So.
It's not even funny how bad it is, bro. Like, oh my
Like
god.
the arms start moving after you jumped.
Yeah. But to be fair, I guess it was my it was like my first time, you know. So not too bad. I mean, yeah, it was my first animation, and this is my second animation, so I'd say from first to second, that's a pretty big jump, you know. Like, I'll put everything on screen on the stream, and I'll also share it on Discord as well, because why not? Share my screen. There we go. Here we go. See? So yeah, this is the first one.
Wait. Yeah.
Pretty terrible. And to go from that to, I'm just gonna upload actually. To go from that to like this and stuff, it's a big jump. I just need to put all my tags and stuff in.
Yeah.
I'll have to get rid of that. There we go. Make sure to mention G-tag. And then, no, it's not for kids. My channel is most definitely not for children.
Oh wait, can you hear me? Like,
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. There we go. Oh wait,
because
hold
I
on.
wasn't sure.
Change that to my first animation.
I'm not in Gorilla Tag, that's why.
Ah, okay.
It might seem different.
Public. Publish anyway. I do not care. Just publish it. Video published. Is it up? It is. Low-key clean. Low-key clean for my second animation. For real, for real. Okay.
I couldn't animate.
Hmm?
Yeah, I couldn't animate.
Why not?
It's just I can't.
I'm sure you can. We're gonna go to Professor Wesser again. Why? Oh, by the way,
You
for
gotta
making.
post in the same genre of videos.
Oh, I must
by
say,
just not touching.
there's a there's this website that I only came across during the stream, like 20 minutes ago, right here. You see this? Now this, I mean, obviously it's all copyright free, but it is so helpful for videos and stuff. It's like all the videos that you'd hear. Hear this?
Wait, I accidentally clicked on something, so I don't see that. Wait.
Can you
How do
hear
go
it?
Back?
Can you hear it?
I can hear it, but I can't go back.
Oh,
But I see it on the stream, so that's okay.
yeah.
Or what you could also do, like, you know how YouTube has like its own video editor now, basically like CapCut but in YouTube.
Yeah.
You can also like look up sounds, just you edit the video somewhere else and then add a sound there, because all the sounds
Are
in
royalty
YouTube
free.
Studio are not copyright. Like all the sounds you see there.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Wait, if you look in the look in my Discord stream, I'm gonna show you basically what I mean by. So basically how I want me to stand if you're gonna make that.
Oh my god, they have it. I need that. Okay, Friday but crunchy. That's mine. Oh, J-Man Curly's live right now. Nice.
Oh, that's crazy.
J-Man Curly. J-Man Curly. I already have a YouTube notification. I don't know if that's about the animation. No, it's not. I was about to say, what could that animation be? No, it's my own comment.
Whoa, your own comment. You must be
Yes.
so popular.
I got a notification for my own damn comment. Okay,
Always.
that's kind of funny.
interesting.
Oh, I can. Wait, are you in VR right now?
Yeah.
I can see it now. Oh my god. How do you get it on just? Are you on Steam or something?
Yeah, I'm on Steam.
I'm gonna join you in VR right now. Okay, hold on.
You commented yo on your.
Okay, wait. Message me the. Wait. Actually, hold on. Don't do anything right now. Hold on. Make sure I don't have anything on Discord leaked. Okay. Can you message me the code on Discord? I'm gonna join in game, and then I'm going to go live again, but in Gorilla Tag. Okay.
Yeah. Wait. Let me type in the code in the Steam menu because that's easier.
Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna go. Anyone who's watching right now, I'm gonna go live, in VR. So yeah.
I kept it pretty simple, so.
Oh, that's pretty simple. Okay. I'm going to go to the bathroom first, get my headset, and then I'm gonna join and go live. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, I'll join. Just wait there.
Yeah.
Guys, I will be back very soon. I'm gonna go live again, but in Gorilla Tag. Okay. Please wait in the meantime, please.